Hello, everyone. My name is Aaron Waller. It is Wednesday, January 20th, 2021 at 11:53 p.m. Mountain Time in the United States. Hope everyone's doing good today. I'm doing great. Just want to provide an update here on XLM US dollar. First, I want to say I'm sorry for my absence. I've been away because I've been helping my father move his plumbing business, and that's been quite the chore. We're not finished yet, so I'll likely be away for some more time. And I also should note that I am starting spring semester for college on January 25th, 2021. And when that happens, I'm going to strictly focus on the midterm group of timeframes for stellar lumens and XRP. Those are the only two pairs I'm going to do, and I'm just going to do the midterm group of timeframes coupled with the near-term group of timeframes. So that'll be the 3-day, 6-day, 9-day, and 12-day. That's the time frame, the group of timeframes that I will use as my compass. And the 1-day, 2-day, 3-day, and 4-day, or the near-term group of timeframes, is what I use for more precise entry and exit. I might provide some updates here and there for Link, as I do like to day trade Link. I don't like to day trade Stellar or XRP. I treat it as an investment, but some of you followers out there like to day trade XRP and Stellar Lumens. I think they're a little pretty hard to do. There's much easier pairs to do. And David has stated this in his videos too, that he prefers Link and Cardano, ADA. And there's sound reasoning for that, as they are much easier to get a read on in your indicators. With XLM and with XRP, you get a lot of spiky action. And it's just a lot harder to get a determination of where the market might want to head. So let's go ahead and get started. To the far left, I have the 3-day time frame. Left of center 6-day, right of center 9-day, and to the far right, the 12-day time frame. I want to point out here in the 3-day, our green line is turning up. It is higher than the white energy. That's bullish. In the 6-day, yes, we are currently seeing the green line making contact with the red RSI while going down, indicating downward pressure. However, we do see that the green line is higher than the white energy, but the white energy has crossed below the 50 level here and is likely to continue. And when this green line crosses below the 50 level, we're likely to see the white upper Bollinger Band get tested as support on the 6-day time frame. In the 9-day time frame, there is still room for growth in the upward direction for the white energy, for the red RSI, for the blue LSMA, and for the green line. Note that how high the green line is above the white energy. When this happens, you see two scenarios. So either the green line catches the white energy, so it'll fall to catch it, or the white energy will shoot up strong to catch with the green. They tend to like to stay together, and when there's a big discrepancy between the two, they move back to each other pretty soon. Something like right here, if you look on the 6-day, right here, we've seen a similar discrepancy to what we see in the 9-day right now currently. And the next few candles, and boom, we caught right back up to it. So this was scenario 1, where the green line fell down to catch the white energy. See if I can find another example here. Well, here's another one. So right here we had the discrepancy here, and boom, fell to catch the white energy. And it happens in the opposite direction too. So when there's a period of downward pressure, like right here, when we first made contact with the red RSI while going up, indicating upward pressure, and we had such a discrepancy here between the white energy and the green line, it was likely that the green line was going to come up hard to catch with the white energy. And that's exactly what happened. In the 12-day time frame, there is room still to grow for the green line and the red RSI and the blue LSMA, as well as the white energy. It can also do something similar to what the 6-day did here. Now, we haven't had confirmation yet that we are to go down. And I should note here that to never assume that price action should go up significantly in either the upward or downward direction during a period of upward or downward pressure. It is likely that price action will trade sideways. And that has been the case for the past few days with XLM and XRP. I'll do another publication for XRP after this one. But at the moment, we want to watch the 3-day white energy. When this crosses below 50 like it did here, let's say here's a better example here. To cross below 50 and we experience downward pressure. That did not mean that we must see a significant drop in price action. And we quickly seen exhaustion here and then came back up, but weren't ready to make a new high, a higher high in this case. We made a higher low. Really just tested this resistance area around 22 cents before falling again right here. So our white energy came back below 50. And the 3-day right here is looking awfully similar to what the 6-day could potentially do. Something similar to this right here. We could be seeing downward pressure commencing in the next 4 days. We'll see 4 days and 6 hours. We'll see a new 6-day candle. And if we see the green cross below the 50, and the white energy get a close below the 50, we're likely to fall to the white upper as our next point of support. If that fails, we're likely to fall to the yellow basis as the next point of support. But we'll see that happen first on the 3-day before the 6-day, obviously. And the Bollinger Bands are currently expanding here in the 6-day, 9-day, and 12-day. If we were to fall down to the yellow basis, chances are we get a strong bounce like we did right here. We got a strong bounce right here. If we've seen something like that again, when we never see the red RSI, I shouldn't say the word never. At this point in time, we do not see the red RSI cross below the 50 level. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the near-term group of time frames. So that'll be the 1-day, 2-day. So let me do the 24-hour. And then 2-day, 3-day, and 4-day. Oops. Okay. Yeah, right here on the 24-hour, the green has crossed below the 50 level. That increases our odds of falling to the basis, which we are already at the basis, or we've already touched the basis. If we continue lower, if we see this red RSI cross below the 50, it increases our odds of having expansion in the Bollinger Bands. And in this case, it would be to the downward side because of where our price action currently is at. If we see a bounce here, we'll easily come back up to the white upper at 32 cents, 33 cents. I don't believe we're ready to make that move yet. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands are still trying to catch up with each other on the daily. The 2-day, it's got quite a ways to go still before it catches. The lower red is now starting to turn. It hasn't pointed up yet in the 2-day. So we're likely just to see contraction. So price action will likely just trade sideways within a trading range here until we see our Bollinger Bands catch back up with each other. It's like this right here. See, we had our expansion. In this case, it was to the upward side. And it took a while for our Bollinger Bands, the lower Bollinger Bands, to catch back up with the rest of the party here. We contracted for a while. Price action traded sideways within a range. And then we seen expansion. Right here would have been a good sign, a good signal that we could experience upward pressure with the green making contact with the red RSI while going up, indicating upward pressure. And we've seen a gap here between the green line and the white energy. And the odds of the two coming back together was increased. Here's another example about that. So right here, yes, it didn't quite come down to catch up with the white energy here, but it did here. But there was a gap here. Whenever there's a gap, the green line will be likely the one to come back to catch up with the white energy. At least that's what I've noticed with my analysis for XLM and XRP and other pairs as well. So to recap, I just want to remind you that I start college January 25th, 2021, and that I will only be providing video publications about once a week, maybe twice a week, depending what we see in the markets and depending what's going on with my school. And if I have a bunch of tests and a lot of homework assignments due, I'll likely do those before I do a video publication because I am a student first. I won't forget about my video publications, but I will not be posting as frequently as I have been. It'll be about once to twice a week for XRP and XLM. Maybe link here and there. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. If you're not following, please feel free to do so. I would certainly appreciate your support. I want to wish everyone happy trading. And followers, you know the drill. Let's stay awesome.